everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Coco Sherelle from Bling and I just wanted to show you guys my new Swarovski crystals that I have received from Harman Imports. So it just came, so I just wanted to open the box and show you what it looks like. Okay. Okay. Go. That's to the side. Okay, so I have the Swarovski crystals in the rose color. And I have size 16, SS16, SS20, and SS12. And I have 4 of these. So this is what it looks like when you get it. They send you a slip, which will be your receipt. You can see the seal up here that also says Swarovski. All right, look at that. So these are the 16, so you can tell the difference in the sizes. And this is what I love about getting different sizes, because it gives dimension. Everything is just not flat. So these are a little bit smaller. I'm gonna pick up one and put it next to it, so you can see. So that's the 20 right there. Right next to it is the 16. That's so pretty. Okay, it's the same color, rose. All right, and then I have these. So I'm not going to open these up right now because you can actually see through it. It's the same color. And these are just the flatback, meaning that they're not hot fix. Hot fix will have glue on the back of it if you want to use them for any type of garments or fabric. So I'm so excited, guys. Wait till I show you what I'm going to put these on. Okay. So I got my Swarovskis. 3,000 or so, a little over 3,000. I'm gonna do the math and I'll come back. But I knew this would be enough for the items that I'm using it for. Okay guys, so stay tuned if you would like to see what I'm going to be using these Swarovski crystals in the rose color, style 2088. Okay, stay with me if you want to see what I'm going to use these for. Guys, you knew it had to be a pair of sneakers. So yes, I'm going to be putting these Swarovski crystals on a pair of Vans. Yes. Hot pink Vans. Look at these.